Allergies are stupid. Allergies are dumb. Ugh. Allergies are stupid. Allergies are dumb. I know, I sound great, don't I? Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Gabe, and today I am going to make pizza on my Blackstone. Cause why not? Why not? So, we're gonna muscle through this, and we're gonna go ahead and get our stuff ready to go. So, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna make my pizza crust, which is literally a 90-cent bag of crust ready to go, and about a half cup of warm water. And what I do is I let it get really hot while I'm running it. That way, by the time I'm ready to make my crust, it's still warm. But if you need to, heat it up for a little bit. Heat it up for like 30 seconds just to make sure that it's really hot, because the hotter the water, well, not the hotter the water, but with your water being as warm as it needs to be, it will help form the crust better, and it'll help mix better, and it'll be more pliable when you are ready to make the pizza. So, I got my fork, I got my crust, I got my bowl, I got my water, and yeah, it's very simple. Literally just, whatever pizza crust you want. This is the pizza crust that I use, and this is just the pizza crust that our family uses as well, and so we haven't had an issue with it, and we like using it, and it's easy. And it makes you kind of feel like you're making your own crust, even though you're kind of not really, but you still are. But anyway, so I got my water, and then we'll just give this a mix until it's all combined. And you want to be quick when you mix it, because it absorbs the water very quickly, and it becomes very difficult to mix. And if you're not quick, it will absorb all the mix on top, and it won't get anything underneath at all. So you're spending a lot more time mixing and making your dough tough than you are making your pizza dough, okay? And then usually, most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time, when I get to about this point, that's when it gets a little tough, and I don't want to mix it too much. I don't want a tough pizza dough. And so I'll put a glove on, kind of form it into a ball the rest of the way. You want to make sure you get all the stuff that's on the sides. Should form one nice clean dough ball. Again, you don't have to work it too much, because like I said, the mix kind of does the work for you. It's kind of nice. Obviously, you can get a pre-made dough if you would like, but again, this is a preference. I like doing it this way. It's more fun. And then I'm going to take just a small splash, like maybe about a half teaspoon up to a teaspoon of oil, just enough to coat it. And then you don't have to do it this way, but what I do is I take a towel and put it over, and then normally I cook this in the oven, so while my oven is preheating, I throw it in there for like 3 or 4 minutes, just enough to keep it nice and warm and pliable, and let it rise a little bit, so that I get a little more dough out of it. So, I got the crust nice and warm. We're gonna put it on a tray, and we're gonna make our crust size that we want on our pizza tray. So, I got it formed to the size that I want, and then we'll put oil on our Blackstone. Want your Blackstone to be really hot, like really hot. One, because there's no lid. Most of your cooking is going to be, it's just that flat surface. So let's head outside and get started on making a pizza. Beautiful. Wow, this cooked really fast. I'm kind of impressed. Cover it and steam it, and give it probably, 3 or 4 minutes. Just keep periodically checking on it. That way, once your cheese is melted, then your pizza's done. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. I've been kind of periodically checking on it just to make sure that the crust doesn't burn. Look at that. I am quite impressed, I might add. All right, so I'm kind of excited about this, but I'm nervous in a good way, if that makes sense. Because, one, I was genuinely impressed about how fast it cooked. Yes, I know that the Blackstone was really hot, but at the same time, it is still dough. But I guess with how thin it is, it was able to cook fast. I don't know, but whatever it did, I somehow figured it out. But the crust is nice and crispy, which is what we want. Means that the dough is at least mostly cooked. The cheese melted really nice. I just used like an Italian blend of cheese. And then the pepperonis are nice and crispy. I can tell because they're nice and stiff. And so let's cut into this and let's see how it turned out. Like I said, definitely crispy, which makes me feel really good about this, because if it wasn't a crispy crust, then I probably would have been a little upset about it. Whether it was cooked or not, I don't know, but it makes me feel better knowing that the crust is, you know, crusty. All right, moment of truth. I want to try this guy. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's hot. Oh yeah. I just got a lot more excited about this. That was kind of weird, but you know what? Hey, so I want you to kind of see. I can turn it up or turn it upside down a little bit, but yeah, it's got that. It's not charred, but it's got that nice grill look to it. It's stiff, and I know I'm angling it, but it's not flimsy. It means that at least the bottom is cooked enough to where it's not doughy, and so that's a good sign right there. But let's see how it tastes. Wow. Man, I think that's better than when I put it in the oven, to be honest. That is really good. That is hot. Ugh. How far can we go? And still going. Oh! Okay, quit playing with your food. I don't care. Oh, well, that tells you that the cheese is cooked all the way. But this turned out really well. I'm very happy that this turned out the way it did. Because, like I said, I was very nervous that we were gonna have kind of a half-cooked, half-doughy kind of pizza, and nobody wants a doughy, half-cooked, undercooked pizza. That's just gross. This turned out really, really well. I'm very pleased. I'm very happy. There you have it, guys. Obviously, you can do like other toppings like sausage or olives or whatever. No, we're not putting pineapple on a pizza. I will never. In fact, let's get that out of the way now. I will never, ever, ever, ever put pineapple on a pizza. That is no. No. I said no. But this just tastes like a good old, almost like a pub style pizza. I like it. I approve. I will definitely do this again sometime, but I approve. But there you have it, guys. Pizza on the Blackstone. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button next to it. That way you can see more amazing feats that I do, or just, you know, peruse while you're waiting for me to post more videos. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you would like to see done differently with this, other than pineapple. And as always, guys, peace out.